You are listening from Story YouTube channel. Good evening. The news headlines. Supreme Court seeks faster trial in Manipur violence cases. Indefinite economic blockade from May 28. Security forces launch operations to rescue hostages. 4 arrests straight in abduction case of 6 Naga civilians. Arms, IEDs and bunkers recovered in security operation. Okisia Soyale's an armed attack in Kukrul district. Manipur's David Maisna wins international title. Loktak Protoclusters'discovery makes a global headlines. News in detail. The Supreme Court directed authorities to speed up trials linked to the ongoing ethnic violence cases in Manipur and asked for updated status report on investigation and prosecutions. Civil society organization in Ternopal district announced an indefinite economic blockade beginning tomorrow over the killings of 3 Kukizo individuals. Transport and supply movement may be affected on major highways. Joint Security Team intensified Operation Kangpopi in Senapati district to rescue around 20 alleged hostages from Naga and Kuki communities amid continuing tensions and protests. The police apprehended 4 village volunteers suspected to be linked to the abduction of 6 Naga civilians in Kangpopi district. The hostages are reportedly still missing. Security forces destroy illegal bunkers in the Kukrul district and recovered assault rifles, explosives, and IEDs during coordinated operations through Champur and nearby areas. The Kuki CS Working Committee alleged that Mongkot Sepu village in the Kukrul district came under a 4-hour armed attack on May 26. Authorities are monitoring the situation. Manipur's Maisnam David Singh won the Mr. Heritage 2026 title in Philippines, bringing international recognition to the state. Astrophysics Ronaldo Livestream from Manipur helped identify 12.6 billion years old galaxy protocluster named after Loktak Lake. The discovery gained international scientific attention today. The Defense Minister issued a major tender for India's indigenous fifth-generation steel fighter aircraft program AMCA. Private sector groups led by Tata, L&T and Bharat Forge are competing for the project. An Air India Boeing 777 carrying around 230 passengers returned to Delhi mid-flight after developing a technical issue while en route to San Francisco. Passengers were offered alternate arrangement. The Central Bureau Investigation arrested 2 more suspects in the NEET UG 2026 paper-leak investigation, taking the total arrests to 13 as the probe widens across multiple states. The Government of India announced an offer for sale for FS in Coal India Limited with a base offer of 1% equity and additional green soup option. The Government of Delhi deployed rapid response team to monitor transportation and sale of animals ahead of Bakrid celebration to ensure legal compliance and public order. Moon sighting committees confirmed that Eid-ul-Adha will largely be celebrated on May 28 across India. Several states also declared bank holidays for the festival. The Indian national football team faced Jamaica in Unity Cup while India's badminton player including Ace Pranoy competed in the Singapore Open today. Investors Vinod Shankar criticized India's wealthy class for preferring real estate and gold over startup investment, saying it limits innovation and research growth in the country. And now from the world news. Fresh clashes were reported between Israeli forces and Hezbollah fighters in southern Lebanon. Israel carried out heavy airstrike while Hezbollah confirmed close combat engagement near border areas. Gaza and Iran-related tensions also remain high. Several European countries summoned Russian ambassador after Moscow reportedly warned about possible new strike on Kyiv. European Union leaders accused Russia for trying to destabilize Europe. The United Kingdom and several European nations are facing record May temperature with authorities warning about health risks, wildfires and pressure on infrastructures. Climate experts call the heat wave a sign of worsening climate change. United Nations warned that the conflict zones including Gaza and part of Africa are contributing to rising global hunger level worsened by disruption in aid and supply chains. International negotiations continue regarding security and shipping assets to the Strait of Hormuz after recent regional conflict affected global oil transport routes. A collision between a school bus and a train in Belgium reported it killed 4 people, including children, and injured several others. Authorities have launched an investigation. In Europe, discussion on defense cooperation and regional security continue at NATO announced additional military readiness measures for Baltic countries and growing tension with Russia. Indonesia stated no country would be excluded from its natural resources export policy discussion, while Southeast Asian governments continue regional trade and economic cooperation talk. Global investors remain cautious due to the ongoing conflict in the Middle East and Europe, with oil prices, shipping and security continue to affect international market. The New York Knicks advance towards the NBA final where international football team prepare for the upcoming World Cup competitions and friendly tournaments. It says that no country would be excluded from its natural resources export policy discussion, while Southeast Asian governments continue regional trade and economic cooperation talk. Global investors remain cautious due to the ongoing conflict in the Middle East and Europe, with all. The Assam Assembly waived passed the Uniform Civil Code (UCC) Bill 2026, making Assam the first northeastern state to adopt such legislation. The bill includes provision banning polygamy requiring registration of life-in relationship. Bhutan Prime Minister Sering Tokgate held talks with Assam Chief Minister Hemanta Biswa Sarma on connectivity, trade, and regional development projects linked to India's Act-East policy. Tripura police arrested one person in the Khowai district after recovering fake Indian currency note worth 21,000 along with the suspected narcotic tablets. Researchers rediscovered a rare blueberry species of Arunachal Pradesh forest after nearly 188 years. Scientists said that the plant belonging to the Ericaceae family. The Congress party appointed Wazir Ali Chaudhuri as a Congress legislative party leader in Assam Assembly, ending eternal deadlock within the state unit. One person died and several were injured in 2 separate late-night road accidents in Guwahati. Assam Transport authorities ordered an urgent road safety review. Authorities reportedly detained 4 police personnel in Tripura over alleged diversion of seized narcotics during the investigation procedures. The IMD said temperatures across northeast are likely to be rise gradually over the next 2 days, though major heatwaves conditions are not expected in the region. That is the end of the morning news. Have a nice day.